warm welcome to you. We present the newest product from the holiday boat, the Catamaran Holiday Boat Sundeck. We believe it to be the most technologically advanced passenger catamaran ever. The vessel's design is one that will stand the test of time. Its timeless look is the class leader. The fact that we ourselves have been using the vessel for commercial passenger purposes has helped us maximize its functionality and potential. The materials used to build it meet the highest standards. Owing to this, the vessel shall serve you long and trouble-free. This is the first double-decked small passenger ship that comes with the CE certificate, which also applies to the Sundeck. Our products have been approved for sale in all of the European Union states. The products meet all safety standards. Furthermore, the catamaran is equipped with patented new generation floats. They are the very first aluminium floats with a variable V-bottom system. We have designed it in the same way as racing boats are designed. The nautical properties of the floats are incomparably better than anything currently on the market. Our product from close up. Above all, our passenger catamarans are versatile and may easily be used as passenger and voyage ships, water buses, training rooms, presentation rooms, and company event facilities. Exclusive floating restaurants. Special occasion event rooms and VIP meeting facilities, such as weddings, first communions, birthdays, bachelor parties and bridal showers.